7 powerful drinks to prevent cataracts and glaucoma. Have you ever thought about how much your daily habits impact your vision? Or maybe you've been wondering if there's something simple, like what you drink, that could help protect your eyes from conditions like cataracts and glaucoma? Cataracts cloud the lens of the eye, impairing clarity, while glaucoma increases pressure inside the eye, potentially leading to vision loss. As we age, these concerns become more relevant, but the good news is that the right nutrients can go a long way in safeguarding your eyesight. In this video, we'll take a closer look at 7 amazing drinks that can help prevent cataracts and glaucoma, plus how to take them for maximum benefits. 1. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its health benefits, but when it comes to eye health, it's particularly special due to its rich antioxidant content. These antioxidants, known as catechins, have the power to neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that cause damage to the cells in your eyes. Free radicals play a major role in oxidative stress, a key contributor to the development of cataracts and glaucoma. The catechins in green tea actively work to protect the lens of the eye and reduce the oxidative stress that accelerates aging in the eye tissues. What makes green tea even more powerful is its content of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 essential compounds that act like a natural filter in your eyes, absorbing blue light and UV rays. This helps protect your retina, which is vital for maintaining vision, especially as you age. So drinking green tea regularly can act as a shield for your eyes, slowing down the progression of degenerative diseases like cataracts and glaucoma. To reap the full eye protective benefits, aim to drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, just ensure you use high-quality loose-leaf green tea to maximize the amount of antioxidants in each cup. 2. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is a well-known remedy for good vision, and for good reason. It's one of the richest sources of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which plays a key role in maintaining the health of your cornea, the outermost layer of your eye. Without enough vitamin A, you can develop issues like night blindness or dry eyes, both of which increase your vulnerability to cataracts. Vitamin A, derived from beta-carotene, keeps the eye's surface moist and healthy, which is crucial for proper vision. Carrot juice doesn't stop at beta-carotene. It's also packed with lutein, an antioxidant that helps protect your retina and lens from oxidative stress. Lutein works in tandem with other nutrients to filter high-energy wavelengths of light, such as UV rays, which are known to increase the risk of cataracts and glaucoma. Drink a glass, 8 ounces of freshly made carrot juice each day. If you find the taste too strong, you can mix it with other juices like apple or orange for a more pleasant flavor. 3. Blueberry smoothies. Blueberries are considered one of the best superfoods for overall health, and they're incredibly beneficial for your eyes too. These tiny berries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that have been shown to protect your eyes from oxidative stress and improve night vision. Anthocyanins help to strengthen the blood vessels in your eyes, improving circulation and ensuring that the delicate tissues in your eyes get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Not only do blueberries help with blood flow, but they also play a role in reducing intraocular pressure, which is crucial in the prevention of glaucoma. Elevated intraocular pressure is one of the leading causes of damage to the optic nerve. By lowering this pressure, blueberries act as a natural defense against glaucoma. Furthermore, the high vitamin C content in blueberries helps protect against cataract formation by reducing free radical damage to the eye's lens. To support your eye health, add a handful of blueberries to your smoothie every day. You can blend them with other nutrient-dense ingredients like spinach or yogurt to create a delicious and eye-friendly drink. Aim for 1 to 2 servings of blueberries daily, whether in smoothies or as a snack. 4. Turmeric tea. Turmeric has long been used for its medicinal properties, but when it comes to eye health, it's the anti-inflammatory power of curcumin, its active ingredient, that stands out. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation in the optic nerve, which is particularly important in preventing glaucoma. When the optic nerve becomes inflamed, it's more susceptible to damage from elevated intraocular pressure, which as mentioned is one of the main causes of glaucoma. By reducing this inflammation, turmeric tea can help preserve optic nerve health. In addition to its anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin has also been shown to have neuroprotective effects. This means it not only protects the nerve from inflammation, but also helps shield it from degenerative changes that could lead to vision loss. Furthermore, turmeric's antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress in the retinal cells, which is essential for preventing age-related eye diseases like cataracts. For best results, drink 1 to 2 cups of turmeric tea daily. To make the tea, simmer fresh turmeric root or turmeric powder in water for about 10 minutes. Adding a pinch of black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, making it even more effective. You can squeeze in some lemon juice to enhance the taste. 5. Spinach smoothies. Spinach is another superfood that's incredibly beneficial for your eyes, largely due to its high content of lutein zeaxanthin. These two antioxidants are found in high concentrations in the macula of your eye, where they play a crucial role in protecting your vision. They act as natural sunscreens for your eyes, filtering out harmful blue light and UV rays that can damage your retina and increase your risk of cataracts and glaucoma. Lutein and zeaxanthin also accumulate in the lens of the eye, where they help reduce oxidative stress caused by light exposure. This protects the lens from clouding, which leads to cataracts. By regularly consuming spinach, especially in the form of smoothies, you're supplying your eyes with these powerful antioxidants that can slow the progression of age-related eye diseases and maintain clear vision. Blend a handful of fresh spinach into your daily smoothie for a nutrient-packed drink. You can combine it with fruits like bananas, berries, or apples to enhance the flavor and add variety. 1 spinach smoothie a day will ensure that your eyes are getting a steady supply of lutein and zeaxanthin. 6. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is an excellent choice for maintaining healthy eyes due to its high nitrate content. Nitrates improve blood flow by dilating blood vessels, which is particularly beneficial for the eyes. Good circulation ensures that your optic nerve and retina receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly, reducing the risk of damage caused by elevated eye pressure, a key factor in the development of glaucoma. Beetroot juice is also packed with lutein, a powerful antioxidant that protects the retina and lens from oxidative damage. Drink a glass, 8 ounces of beetroot juice daily for optimal benefits. You can mix it with other juices like apple or carrot to balance the earthy flavor of beetroot. 7. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is widely known for its healing properties, and when consumed as a juice, it offers several benefits for eye health. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for maintaining the integrity of your eye tissues. Vitamin A, in particular, plays a crucial role in keeping your cornea healthy and preventing conditions like cataracts. This vitamin is critical for the production of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that helps you see in low light. Moreover, aloe vera juice has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce irritation and inflammation in the eyes, making it beneficial for preventing glaucoma. By keeping your eyes hydrated and nourished, aloe vera juice supports tissue regeneration, which is key in maintaining eye health and preventing vision loss over time. To enjoy the eye-boosting benefits of aloe vera juice, drink about 1/4 cup, approximately 2 ounces per day. You can dilute it with water or mix it into a smoothie. However, be mindful not to exceed this amount, as too much aloe vera juice can have a laxative effect. Wrapping up, incorporating these drinks into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to support your eye health and reduce the risk of cataracts and glaucoma. By nourishing your eyes with the right nutrients, whether through antioxidant-rich green tea, beta-carotene-packed carrot juice, or anti-inflammatory turmeric tea, you'll be giving them the protection they need to stay healthy as you age. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest insights on health and nutrition.